How to fix Tower of Fantasy server error ID 5/10004. 1. Check server status via TOF's official Twitter handle. 2. Check then improve. Your internet connection. 3. Disable Windows. Defender, Firewall. Plan B, whitelist the TOF game. 4. Log out then back in. Five. Connect to a different, green or faster, server. FYI, here are some info. TOF color indicator. Gray, server is under maintenance. Green, server is open. Yellow, server is open but heavily populated. Red, server is full, must queue for entry. 4. Connect at a different time. 6. Quit then relaunch the game.